Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of ZenGo Crypto Wallet, a platform that's redefining how we safeguard our digital assets. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or just starting out, understanding where and how to securely store your digital assets is crucial. So let's explore what ZenGo offers, its standout features, pricing, and whether it might be the right choice for you in 2025. To find out more about the ZenGo Crypto Wallet and find help using cryptocurrencies safely, simply click the link in the description below. First off, let's get acquainted with ZenGo. Launched in 2018, ZenGo has rapidly gained a reputation for its innovative approach to crypto storage. Unlike traditional wallets that rely on seed phrases, which are a series of words you must keep safe to recover your wallet, ZenGo eliminates this vulnerability. Instead, it employs Multi-Party Computation, or MPC, a cutting-edge cryptographic method that enhances security by removing the single points of failure associated with seed phrases. This means users don't have to worry about losing a seed phrase or having it stolen, addressing a significant concern in the crypto community. Now let us talk about the main features of the ZenGo Crypto Wallet. Firstly, ZenGo is a true multi-chain wallet supporting over 380 crypto assets, including major players like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Polygon. This extensive support allows users to manage a diverse portfolio all in one place. Beyond just holding assets, ZenGo enables users to buy, sell, and swap cryptocurrencies seamlessly within the app, providing a comprehensive trading experience without the need to transfer funds between different platforms. For the NFT enthusiasts, ZenGo offers robust support for non-fungible tokens. Users can store, view, and manage their NFTs directly within the wallet, making it a convenient hub for both fungible and non-fungible assets. Security is where ZenGo truly shines. We've touched on its MPC technology, but there's more. ZenGo incorporates a three-factor authentication recovery system known as 3FA. This system combines your email, 3D face lock biometric scan, and a recovery file stored in your chosen cloud service. This triad ensures that even if one factor is compromised, unauthorized access remains highly unlikely. Impressively, since its inception, ZenGo boasts a record of 0 wallets hacked, a testament to its robust security measures. Navigating the decentralized web, or Web3, comes with its risks. ZenGo addresses this with its advanced Web3 firewall, which provides real-time risk assessments and alerts, protecting users from potential scams and unauthorized transactions. Think of it as having a vigilant guard that scrutinizes every interaction with decentralized applications, ensuring you stay informed and secure. For those seeking enhanced functionalities, ZenGo offers a premium subscription called ZenGo Pro. It includes features like multiple wallets. You can create up to 5 segregated wallets for better organization and security of your assets. Legacy transfer. It's a pioneering feature that facilitates the secure transfer of your digital assets to trusted individuals, ensuring your crypto legacy is preserved without the need for complex arrangements or KYC procedures. Theft protection adds an extra layer of security by requiring 3D face lock biometric verification for transactions exceeding a user-defined threshold, preventing unauthorized withdrawals even if someone has access to your device. Now let us talk about the pricing. The core ZenGo wallet is free to download and use, providing access to its fundamental features. However, for those interested in the advanced capabilities we've discussed, ZenGo Pro is available as a subscription service. The specific pricing details are best obtained directly from ZenGo official channels. Here on the website, it says it is $129.99 when billed annually, but at a monthly charge, it is $19.99 per month. What are the pros and cons of using the ZenGo Crypto Wallet? First, we talk about the pros. Enhanced security. The elimination of seed phrases through MPC technology and the implementation of three-factor authentication recovery significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access and loss. User-friendly interface. ZenGo's intuitive design makes it accessible for users at all levels, simplifying the complexities often associated with crypto wallets. Comprehensive asset support. With support for over 380 cryptocurrencies and NFTs, it caters to a wide range of investment portfolios. Innovative features. Offerings like legacy transfer and the Web3 firewall demonstrate ZenGo's commitment to addressing evolving user needs in the crypto space. How about the cons? Limited support for some cryptocurrencies. Notably, ZenGo does not currently support certain major cryptocurrencies like Solana, Cardano, and Polkadot. Premium features require subscription. Advanced functionalities are locked behind the ZenGo Pro subscription, which may not be ideal for users that are seeking a completely free solution. It is only mobile and browser based. In conclusion, as we navigate the crypto landscape in 2025, the importance of secure, user-friendly, and feature-rich wallets cannot be overstated. ZenGo stands out by addressing critical security concerns associated with traditional wallets, offering a seamless experience without the anxiety of managing seed phrases. Its continuous innovation, evident in features like legacy transfer and the Web3 firewall, positions it as a forward-thinking solution in the crypto wallet arena. However, it's essential to consider your individual needs. If you hold or plan to invest in cryptocurrencies not supported by ZenGo, or if you prefer a desktop interface, you might find certain limitations. Additionally, while the free version offers substantial functionality, accessing the full suite of advanced features requires a subscription to ZenGo Pro. Ultimately though, ZenGo presents a compelling option for many, but it's crucial to assess whether its offerings align with your specific requirements and preferences. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Ledger, Coinbase, and Best Wallets. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.